Good afternoon there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2017 Volkswagen Caddy long wheelbase. This one in particular is also a crew cab with 60,662 miles on top. It is in a lovely white with a blue trim around the skirt of it. This is due to it being an ex-TfL service vehicle. I'll just show you inside the interior for a moment. Notice you've got 2 seats at the front and 3 within the back there as well. Now I will just show you into the back space of the vehicle as well. And now I'll just take you into the front of the vehicle to show you some driver conveniences as well. So first of all, when we hop into the driver's seat, we notice we have cruise control, hands-free cooling and voice assist. This does also mean within the vehicle we have Bluetooth. As you can see down here, we have satellite navigation, radio of course, and also if we put the car into reverse, see we have parking sensors there as well. This does also come with a 12-volt USB, an aux port. Thank you.